an ornament, a pretty thing, a totem for your trim. Well, this song is but a glass of wine, wonderful. Kick back and have a sip. God is my co-creator and we make the truth. God is my co-creator and it's all around me now and all I see is living. So you're looking for an answer, problem solved, a way to find your way. When you close your eyes and watch the noise, who is there having their say? God is your co-creator and we make the truth. God is your co-creator and it's all around you now and all you see is living. So we want a world where everybody gets to feast on peace and love and light. Well, it's right here in our open hearts, open minds. Ah, come on and take a bite. God is our co-creator and we make the truth. God is our co-creator and it's all around us now and all we see is living. God is my co-creator and we make the truth. God is my co-creator and it's all around us now and all I see is living. God is my co-creator and we make the truth. God is my co-creator and it's all around me now and all I see is living. This song is but an ornament, a pretty thing, total for your trip.